bought one of our $100 Gothic clam boxes.
I'm just excited. I got it packaged up good.
Kind of goodies you got in there.
There's so much stuff in there. But it was only your sillier balls. Oh yeah, open that. Oh yeah, open that one. I forgot I had that in there. I don't even know if you heard or not, but they're flasks. It's a coffin
flask.
You like Dolls Kill, right?
I now own Dolls Kill stuff too.
I know, right? I'm like obsessed. Oh, look at that. Oh yeah, that's the necklace. That's the Dolls Kill cross necklace.
Oh yeah, Dolls Kill cross necklace. Nice.
We are a traveling circus sideshow. You don't know that term? That's the name of the show.
It's like the box that just keeps on coming. Oh, they're like their clown
Did you say
outfit.
a box that keeps on coming?
Yeah.
That's what I thought you said.
That's what I said, yeah.
Yeah, it goes with me. If I was a little bit more white.
There's another Dolls Kill necklace.
Oh, the sunglasses.
Oh, yeah, they're little back glasses.
When the beast comes on stage, safety is our highest concern.
Let me know if you guys have any questions, okay? The boxes are awesome. That's what he's doing now is like wrestling around the boxes. Because that's like kind of like what we're doing for our boxes. So just let me know if you have any questions about them.
6'4". The creature weighs 220 pounds of
Yeah, you got all kinds. That one had like all kinds of dolls.
Got all kinds of Dolls Kill stuff.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
The coffin purse.
When he comes on stage, he's disgusting. He's really disgusting. You may want to pass.
Yeah. Oh, I love
Coffin
it.
purse.
Yes. Oh, there, yeah, you saw
More stickers.
Stickers.
there's still another one in there too. That one comes from Dolls Kill too. Yeah. Yay. I was like, he just kept pulling stuff out. I was like,
that's cool.
I love it. Yeah, you
Awesome.
do like
I love it. I love it.
Yay.